Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to play YouTube app in the background on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Chrome on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open the web version of the YouTube app on your Google Chrome, the next step is to open a video which you want to play in the background. Just like that. After that, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the Google Chrome, and from this menu, just select Desktop Site. After you do that, you will open the desktop version of the YouTube app on your Google Chrome. Now to play this video in the background, just play this video and go to your home screen. And on your home screen, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the Control Center. Now in the Control Center, you will find this media player. Now if you tap on the play button, on any Samsung phone. To do that, just open Settings, go to home screen. Now just disable home screen layout. Now as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.